Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered a medium repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. To complete this repair, you will need a Dremel tool. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the battery before beginning the installation. First, locate and remove the column shroud mounting screws. Continue by gently prying the upper and lower shrouds from the column. Remove the electrical connectors to gain access to the lock housing bolts. Using a Dremel or similar cutting tool, carefully cut a slot into the center of each bolt head. Remove the bolts with a flathead screwdriver and remove the lock assembly from the column. Unplug the two connectors on the ignition switch. To install the new ignition switch, reconnect the two connectors and place it on the steering column. Tech note: it is best to remove the key so that the lock pin will protrude from the housing. This will ease alignment with the steering shaft slot. Using the new clamp and security bolts provided, secure the new ignition lock assembly to the steering column and tighten the mounting bolts until the hex heads shear off. Reassemble steering column in reverse order to complete the installation.